we're fairly new to camping, so this is our first trailer, and you know, we like the size for just the two of us. We like the size, we like the rear bath, you know, the larger space, the bigger vanity. You know, so again, the camping stuff we're still trying to figure out.
When we looked around, we looked at a lot of different kinds of campers, and when we got in this one, I was impressed with the quality of the interior. I mean, the leather recliners that has a vibrating recliner and heat massage, and overall use of leather, which I thought was quite nice. Some of them are cloth. To me, it just looks like quality.
This is our third rally that we've been to. So we've been to 2 rallies in Missouri, and this is our first one here in Tennessee. But you know, meet such great people. You know, and we stayed in touch with those folks, and we've met a group here that I'm sure we'll stay in touch with as well. And you know, you learn so much at these things, and it's just been, you know, really time well spent, enjoyable. And at the rallies, I mean, you know, we have the Grand Design folks are there to take care of little stuff. You know, we've had some thermostat issues, and we're still fighting that a little bit, just the nature of the beast, I guess. But they've, you know, they've done what they can on it, and they replaced the front jack, and they did that at a rally, and you know, so they've just been real good to take care of the little stuff. Yeah, yeah. I mean, we couldn't be happier with Grand Design and how they've supported the product.